Hello and welcome to our series of videos provided to you by the Accounting Coaches. My name is Tom Adams. I am an accounting professor at a university in the city of Philadelphia. I have a PhD in accounting. I am a CPA. I'm also a CGMA. So I love accounting. I love talking accounting. I love teaching accounting. I love learning about accounting. I love reading about accounting. I love writing about accounting. I love all things accounting. It's my passion. It's what I love to do. So this is a lot of fun for me to be here with you to talk accounting. And so what I am here to do is to help you get ready for the accounting related topics that are on the CFA exam. So the CFA exam is all about financial statement analysis. And in financial statement analysis, what we're really trying to do is understand a company. We're performing analyses so we get a better understanding of a company. We're going to compare the company to a competitor, or we're going to compare a company to its industry, or we're going to compare a company to the general macroeconomic environment, or we might compare the company to itself. We might say, well, it did this year. What did it do last year? And how does that compare across years? Whatever we're doing, we're trying to answer some questions. We're trying to get a better understanding of the company. We're performing analyses so that we can understand the company's performance. So the goal of financial statement analysis is to answer questions. And from those answers, we can form conclusions and ultimately make recommendations. We recommend, if we're performing equity analysis, we recommend to you to buy or sell this stock. Or if we're performing credit analysis, we recommend that you buy or sell this debt instrument. We recommend that you lend money or not lend money to the company. Whatever it is, we're trying to increase our understanding of the company. Now, you're coming into studying for the CFA exam at an incredible time. Following the pandemic, there were increases in the factors associated with fraud. So things like pressures, incentives to commit fraud, the ability to rationalize. Some of these things that often accompany fraud were evident during the pandemic. And so this is just one example of how financial statement analysis is relevant today more than ever. So because of these increased risks related to fraud, and these risks, by the way, were highlighted in a recent Wall Street Journal article. So the risks of financial statement fraud greatly increased during the pandemic. And one of the ways that we can uncover and detect fraud is by performing financial statement analysis. Things like ratio analysis can help uncover financial statement irregularities. It can help uncover low quality financial reports. And in isolated circumstances, it might uncover fraud. Right? So financial statement analysis is more important today than ever. Learning these skills is important, and understanding the accounting will allow you to understand and perform a higher quality financial statement analysis.
Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with our latest content and tips for the exams. Dive into our collection of free prep videos and materials through the links provided below.